Hey, good day everyone, it's Mike from Finding Fish. Welcome to Cuba, welcome to Cayo, Coco, and guess what? Welcome back to Memories Flamenco. So many people have reached out over the last couple of months saying, hey, can you go back to Memories Flamenco and do an update video? And so I wasn't planning on coming here, but guess what? Never say never. I'm back. Anyway, today in this video, I'm just gonna do a quick walking tour. I wanna show you everything that's being renovated. I wanna maybe give you some timelines of when maybe renovations can be completed. And if you're coming in the near future, what you can expect. Now, if you've never been here before, right behind me, it's the main entrance, it's the main lobby. Now, if you go right to the extreme left, you're gonna notice that's reception. Of course, like most places in Cuba, check-in is at 4, check-out is at noon. And if you keep proceeding, now one thing that has changed since last year when I was here, they've gotten rid of Diamond Club. It's now called Premium Class. In Premium Class, they have their own private check-in and their own private waiting area. Also in this main lobby structure, you're gonna notice that's the concierge. And of course, the travel reps are here. If you wanna book an excursion, you wanna go to the Dolphins, you wanna do Jeep Safari, if you wanna do anything, if you need to get back home, well, this is where the travel reps are. If you keep proceeding to the right, you're gonna notice it's the 24-hour lobby bar with 2 sections though, the premium class and standard. So obviously premium class has upgraded drinks, cans of beer, their own beer selection and their own booze selection. And of course, seating here is still the same since last time I was here. It's all covered in here, all open air. If you keep on proceeding past premium class, you're gonna notice the bathrooms that are under renovation right now. Now, I've been told that maybe mid-January, all the renovations in this area should be complete. Then also, if you keep going, you're gonna notice selections, and it's under renovation as well. All through selections, they're gutting it, new tile work, cleaning it up, deep clean in here, and the guys are just going at it right now. It's actually looking really good, and it needed to be done. And like I said, they're thinking this should be done mid-January if all goes well. And then there's bathrooms also in this area that I didn't know about. I think these are new to me. It's been about a year and a bit since I've been here, and these bathrooms actually look nice. Anyway, that's the renovation area kind of complete. Let's go check out the main pool area. Now, this is the main pool area. If you come up, you walk through those pagodas, you're gonna notice this is the main pool area. Now, this is a busy pool and it's low season right now, so when it's high season, this place is gonna be kicking in. Looks like it's got a lot of new loungers and it's got a lot of new pagodas built. And the pool looks nice and clean. And I can smell the chlorine coming off the pool. Right behind me, you're gonna notice that's where you can get your lunch. They've got a barbecue going on there today. It looks like they have chicken on the go, and they have some rice and some soup. And right beside that's Mandy. He's kicking up some drinks there, mixed drinks. Looks like he's got lots of rums on the go. If you want a specialty drink, well, you're gonna talk to my old friend Mandy. Anyway, down below, you're gonna notice Bubbles. That's a pool bar. It's got lots of loungers there as well. But these pools can be very busy as soon as it gets cold out because everyone wants to come up and hang out in the sun. And they also have a DJ here. So anyway, this is where all the tunes happen. Anyway, that is this area. Let's go find bites. Like, sorry for the wind if it's kind of bothering this video. But anyway, it's a windy day here in Cayo, Coco. Okay, food. Now let's just talk about bites. It's a 24-hour. That's where you're gonna get all your cervezas, your hard, your soft drinks, your cappuccinos, 24 hours a day. And of course, that's where you're gonna get your snacks. Today they have hamburgers, they have spaghetti, ham and cheese, and fish bites. But like usual, things always come and go in Cuba, so just always ask. Anyway, it's nice and clean in here. They have some covered seating, and then they have a lot of uncovered seating. Also, for everybody, you can go down to Seabreeze area. They're making tacos right on the beach today. There's a bit of a lineup there. And right beside that's where you can get all your drinks, like your cervezas, your mixed drinks, your hard drinks, your soft drinks. My amigos run in Seabreeze now. Premium Class. Now, Premium Class is in the old Diamond Club section down the beach to the right. Today they're doing a beach barbecue. And of course, for Premium Class, that's where you've got your own beach bar. Now, when it comes to the buffet, because selection is closed, they're doing it in Bella, and they're doing it in the old Diamond Club a la carte restaurant. That's where everyone can go for lunch today. I believe it opens at 1. They're just prepping it now. And it looks nice and clean in there. They've got all those drapes off the windows, so now the view's awesome. There's a lot of light coming in. And the food quality in this buffet looks really good, I have to say, and a lot of variety. Now, I have run into a few subscribers when I've been here, people from Russia, Canada, and England, and the English people were a little bit disappointed. Canadian couple I met, I think they've been 25 times to this area, and he said that the food is the best that it's ever been. I made a video about a year and a bit ago saying that they needed to do some renovations and this place needed to have some adjustments and it needed to have some tender love and care. It looks like they're putting it into, but it's deserved and it needs to happen. If you want people to fill up hotels, well, you gotta listen to the people. So when it comes to food and drinks, that's kind of the gist of it right now. I'm not going into a la cartes, but I'm just showing you that things are still functioning here at the Flamenco. Now, a couple of things I just want to touch upon. The cigar bar, rum shack, it's still functioning. Right beside that, that's where you're gonna book a massage. And also, I forgot to mention that they do have a kids pool, and it's looking pretty good down below there. I can't really film it too much because there's just kids down there. But anyway, I forgot to mention that. Next up, let's talk about the rooms here. Now, they let me into 2 rooms. They let me into a normal pool room, a standard room, and actually the room looks like it's been recently updated, and it looks like it's been recently painted. So it looks fresh. Bed looks good, nice view, and the sink area in the bathtub looks good. It's still a little bit dated, but I wasn't allowed to get into an updated room because they're all taken right now. They also gave me access to a suite with an ocean view. Now, actually, the suite looks great. It's spacious, good view, nice bed. You know, it looks well appointed. Considering how old this resort is, it looks good. Bathroom looks totally updated in this room. So if you're coming and you're getting a standard room with the pool view, that's what it looks like. And if you want to get a suite, option number 2, that's what it looks like. Rooms are done. That's it right there, folks. There's no other reason why we got on planes. There's nothing. There's no other reason. Now, today is super windy, so water is not as vibrant. Typically, I've seen it, but it's still gorgeous. People are way out there. Anyway, let's go down and check it out. If Jenny and I were here right now, we'd be at the very end of all those loungers hanging out. We'd be away from everyone. That's our favorite place. And then if we wanted to go for a walk, we go around the corner. Like, that's what we do, and that's why we love it when we come to this place, because it's like mind-blowing. This is it, folks. That's why you got on the plane. It's right here. No other reason you fly 3, 5, 7. My friends from Russia, St. Petersburg, 15 hours to come here. And that's why, folks. You know, you got the culture, you have safety, you have proximity, and you have beauty all on one island. Yeah, it's mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, Cuba can be a complicated country, but you know what you can't complicate? You can't complicate beauty. It's right behind us. You can't overcomplicate that, folks. It's just, it's awesome. It's fantastic. And I met a bunch of subscribers here, and they're all having a good time. They understand Cuba, they understand what they're getting into before they press enter on that keyboard. And they've all told me that, you know what? They were coming in with low expectations because of everything that's been happening in this country, and they're pleasantly surprised. The resort's coming along like it needs to be, and they need to keep that up. Hallways are looking better, the exterior of the buildings are coming along, the rooms are looking good. Water pressure, I checked a few rooms, there's water pressure. You know, things are improving here, and that's what needs to happen if you want to get resorts full. It's not rocket science, folks. Keep people happy, they come back. Disappoint people, they don't come back, they go somewhere else. And you know, if I should manage resorts, maybe. Anyway, if you are coming to Cuba, save some of this for me. because guess what? I'll be back. Anyway, like I always say, if you like my videos, if you think I provide a service, do me a favor, like and subscribe. It helps me out. Share the video. I want to say thanks to my friends here. I haven't seen you in a while, and it means a lot to me when you know, we can have a quick conversation. I want to say thanks to the manager for allowing me in here to make this video and to give me anything I needed to get it done. And guess what, folks? That's it. If you're coming here, this is what it's gonna look like. And hopefully the renovations will be done quicker than what I said. I've heard things, but anyway, they're saying maybe January, mid-January to be safe, but maybe it'll be done before that. Like I always say, if you like my channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Guess what? See you in the next video.